Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about ingredients in skincare, vitamin C. You've probably seen it all over Instagram, in ads for serums, moisturizers, and even masks. But is vitamin C really worth the hype when it comes to your skincare routine? Let's break it all down. What does vitamin C do for your skin? Alright, so the buzz around vitamin C in skincare is huge, but it's not all just marketing. There's a reason why so many dermatologists and skincare experts recommend it. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can work wonders for your skin, and here are some of its major benefits. First up, brightens your complexion. This is probably the most well-known benefit of vitamin C in skincare. It's a brightening agent, meaning it helps even out your skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Whether you're dealing with acne scars, sun damage, or just general dullness, vitamin C helps by inhibiting melanin production, which is the pigment responsible for those dark spots. Over time, using a vitamin C serum can give you that radiant, even-toned look we're all after. Next up, did you know that vitamin C is a super antioxidant? That means it helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that break down skin cells. Free radicals come from things like UV rays, pollution, and even stress, and they can accelerate aging. Think wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. By using vitamin C, you're giving your skin an extra layer of defense. This is why pairing vitamin C with sunscreen is like the ultimate combo for protecting your skin from sun damage and environmental stressors. What's more, vitamin C plays a key role in collagen synthesis, and collagen is what keeps your skin firm, bouncy, and youthful looking. As we age, our collagen production naturally decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging. By incorporating vitamin C into your skincare routine, you're giving your skin the tools it needs to produce more collagen, which can help reduce fine lines and improve skin texture over time. Additionally, if you struggle with acne, redness, or other inflammatory skin conditions, vitamin C can be a great ally. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the skin and reduce redness. It can also speed up the healing process for acne scars and blemishes, so your skin can recover faster. While vitamin C isn't a direct hydrator like hyaluronic acid, it strengthens the skin barrier, which helps your skin hold onto moisture better. This means your skin will feel more hydrated and plump when using vitamin C in combination with other moisturizing ingredients. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Alright, now let's talk about the downsides. As amazing as vitamin C sounds, it's not without its challenges. It's important to understand these factors to get the most out of it without wasting your time or money. Vitamin C is notoriously unstable, especially in its pure form, L-ascorbic acid. When exposed to light, heat, or air, it can oxidize, which basically means it loses its effectiveness and can even become irritating to the skin. This is why you'll often see vitamin C products in dark or opaque bottles. Light and air can break it down super quickly. Once it turns brown or yellow, it's time to toss it. To avoid wasting your money on a product that goes bad too soon, make sure you store your vitamin C in a cool, dark place and look for products with stable formulations like ascorbyl palmitate or magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. These are vitamin C derivatives that are less prone to oxidation but still effective. Moreover, vitamin C can be a little harsh on the skin, especially if you're using a high concentration, like 20% or more, or have sensitive skin. Some people might experience redness, stinging, or even breakouts when they first start using it. If you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, it's a good idea to start with a lower concentration, around 10%, and work your way up as your skin adjusts. Keep in mind that vitamin C works best at a slightly acidic pH, which means it can interact with other products in your routine, especially those that are more alkaline. So if you're using things like retinol or niacinamide, be careful not to layer too many active ingredients at once, as this can cause irritation. Even though vitamin C is great for protecting against UV damage, it can also make your skin more sensitive to the sun when first applied. That's why it's crucial to always pair your vitamin C products with sunscreen during the day. This way, You get the protective benefits without putting your skin at risk for sunburn or damage. What to look for in a vitamin C product? When you're shopping for a vitamin C serum or cream, not all products are created equal. Here are a few tips to help you pick the right one. For most people, a concentration of 10% to 20% is ideal. Higher concentrations can be more effective, but also more irritating. If you're new to vitamin C, start with a lower concentration and see how your skin reacts. Look for a product with a stable form of vitamin C, like L-ascorbic acid or ascorbyl glucoside. The packaging matters, too. Dark glass bottles and airless pumps help keep the product fresh longer. Vitamin C is most effective in a formula with a pH between 2.5 and 3.5, but that can be irritating for sensitive skin. Some vitamin C derivatives are less pH dependent and might be a better option if you're prone to irritation. Some vitamin C products also include other beneficial ingredients like vitamin E, ferulic acid, or hyaluronic acid. These combos can boost the effectiveness of the serum and help hydrate or protect your skin even more. Incorporating vitamin C into your routine is simple, but following the right steps ensures you get the best results. Here's how to do it. Vitamin C works best when applied in the morning because it helps protect your skin from environmental stressors like UV rays, pollution, and free radicals throughout the day. By applying it in the morning, you're shielding your skin against damage before you encounter it. Some use it at night, but daytime is where it truly shines for protection. Always apply vitamin C to clean, dry skin. After cleansing, ensure your skin is fully dry, as water can impact the serum's stability. If you use a toner, apply it before vitamin C to enhance absorption. Apply a few drops, 2 to 4, of your vitamin C serum to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Gently press or pat it in, and give it a minute to absorb. It might feel a bit sticky at first, but that's normal. Once your serum absorbs, follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. This step helps to prevent moisture loss and boosts the serum's protective effects. You can apply other serums, like hyaluronic acid, beforehand, but always finish with your moisturizer. Now this is a crucial step. Vitamin C and sunscreen work together to protect your skin. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher to prevent UV damage and enhance the effectiveness of vitamin C. Sunscreen not only protects but also ensures the serum won't increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Vitamin C isn't a quick fix. You'll see the best results with consistent daily use. Over time, 4 to 6 weeks, expect to see improvements in brightness, dark spots, and overall skin tone. By following these steps, you'll make the most of vitamin C's benefits for a brighter, healthier complexion while protecting your skin from daily damage. So, is vitamin C worth the hype? Absolutely, but with a few caveats. It's a fantastic ingredient for brightening, protecting, and anti-aging, but you've got to use it consistently and pick the right product for your skin type. If you're looking for that extra glow and long-term skin benefits, vitamin C is definitely worth adding to your routine. Like with anything in skincare, there's no magic bullet. Results take time, and it's important to find the right balance with your other skincare products to avoid irritation. Keep your expectations realistic, and vitamin C can definitely become one of your skincare holy grails. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.